everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will discuss about the large scroll bars in Odoo 18 point of sale. Large scroll bars in point of sale system can significantly improve the user experience, especially when dealing with long list of items or categories. So you can just enhance the visibility by using large scroll bars are easier to see and interact with, reducing the risk of accidental clicks or missed sections. So let's dive into the point of sale. From there, we just need to move on to the configuration settings in order to enable this feature. So as you just drag down here, you can find the large scroll bars, thus improve the navigation for improvised industrial touch screens. So once you made the changes, you can save this in the settings, and let's move on to the dashboard, and let me open a register over here. That is the point of sale. So choosing the button open register let you to open the point of sale, and from here you can also set the opening cache. So I don't have any opening cache, so let me just move on to open the section, and here you can see that as we have large number of items in our screen, um, we have a risk of accidental clicks or missed selections. So by using this large scroll bars, this would easily allow you to navigate and improve the faster navigations by a quick and precise scrolling through long list, saving time and improves efficiency. So if I just want to add any item from the downside of the list, I can just use this large scroller, and let me just add all these items into my cart. And here you can also find these scroller over here, which is added. So we have easily navigated and added it. And now let me choose a customer over here. That is Azure Interior, and let's make the payment. And he's just going to make the payment using the card. And let's click on validate so that it's the payment is completed and we have just done with it. So here also you can find the large scroll bar which is applied for the invoice. So if the invoice is a list with a high quantity or high number of items is purchased by the customer, we can easily navigate it within using this large scroll bar. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.